Hello, dear children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn Chapter 1 Place Value Part 10. So let's begin. Children, previously we learned rounding off to the nearest tens and rounding off to the nearest hundred. Today we will learn rounding off to the nearest thousand. See children, in rounding of numbers to the nearest thousand, we should always look at the last three digits from hundreds place. If these digits are 500 or greater than, then we always round up. And if it is smaller than 500, then we will round down. For example, we have to round off 3456 to the nearest thousand. So the first thing we will do is that we will see where this number comes, between which two numbers this number 3456 will come. Let us see. This number comes between 3000 and 4000, and always write the mid number, that is 3500 is the mid number here. Now on this number line we have to see 3456. So what I told you, first we have to see the hundreds place. Here 456 is less than 500 and 3500 is the mid number. If it is greater than 3500, then it will round up, but 3456 is smaller than 3500, so it will round down. That means the answer will be 3000. Let us see another example. Here 63,320 is the number given, and we have to round this number to the nearest thousand. So let's begin. First we will see, this is a number line children. This I had made in mountain shape. You can make simple number line also. So first we will see where this number will come, between which number this number will come. So 63,320 will come between 63,000 and 64,000. And we have to write mid number also, that is 63,500. Now let us see where this number will come. See children, this number 63,320 is smaller than 63,500. You can see here, after 63,000 I have written number 63,100, then 63,200, 63,300, and the number which we have to round off is 63,320. So it will come between 63,300 and 63,400, and it is smaller than 63,500. So it will round off to 63,000. This is the answer. Let us see one more example children. 4,865. First we draw a number line. Then we will see where this number will come. 4,865. It is between which two numbers? It is between 4,000 and 5,000. And now we have to write the mid number also, the middle number, that is 4,500. Now again first we will see in hundreds place. The mid number is written 4,500, and the number we have to round off is 4,865. Now 4,800 is greater than 4,500, so it will round off towards 5,000. So answer will be 5,000. Children, here I have solved some sums randomly of exercise 1.5. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousand. First one is 1086. So first we will mark those numbers between which 1086 will come. So that is 1000 and 2000. And the mid number is 1500. Now if we see this number 1086, it is smaller than 1500. So it will round off towards 1000. So answer will be 1000. Here the second number is 20,518. See, again I made one number line, and let us see where this number lies between 20,000 and 21,000. 20,518 comes between 20,000 and 21,000. And let us see the mid number. Mid number is 20,500. Now our question is 20,518. So it is greater than 20,500. So it will round up towards 21,000. So answer is 21,000. Let us see the second number. 9,999. Again children, we will make one number line here, and we will see between which numbers this 9,999 will come. So it will come between 9,000 and 10,000. Now let us see the middle number. That is 9,500. Now if we see in hundreds place, here it is written 9,999 and 9,500 is mid number. So 9,999 is greater than 9,500. So it will round up to 10,000. So answer is 10,000. Another number is 89,162. So now again I made one number line in a mountain shape, and let us see where this number lies. This number lies between 89,000 and 90,000. Let us see the mid number also children. Mid number is 89,500 and our question is 89,162. So if we see from hundreds place, 89,162 is smaller than 89,500. So it will round down towards 89,000. So answer is 89,000. Now children, here is homework for you which you will do in your maths fair copy. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousand. Thank you children.